Hello kids, welcome to Bright Kids channel. In this video, we will be solving National Science Olympiad NSO 2021 exam paper for class 2. You can press pause button in between if you find the video fast. Section 1, Logical Reasoning. Find the missing number. A 7, B 10, C 8, D 5. Answer C 8. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the missing number is 8. Sameer has rupees 100. Which of the following items he can buy? Answer D. He can buy mango juice because it is the only item which is priced less than rupees 100. There is a certain relationship between pair of figures on either side. Identify the relation of left pair and find the missing figure. Answer A. Here you can see 4 sides are present and 3 sides figure is present. It's 6, so less than 1 it becomes 5. Then ratio of green is to blue, so it will be green is to blue. So blue figure of 5 sides, that's pentagon, which is A. If boat is called scooter, scooter is called aeroplane, aeroplane is called ship, then dash is a road transport. Answer D. Aeroplane. Here, of all the items given in this question, scooter is the only thing which is road transport. So scooter is called aeroplane. So here aeroplane will be road transport. Which of the following shapes is not present in the given figure? Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Answer triangle. Here we can see the squares are present. These are the circle and mouth is rectangular in shape. But triangle is not seen anywhere. So the triangle is answer. Section 2 Science. If you are liking the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select the incorrect match. A. Skeleton give shape to our body. B. Lungs help to breathe. C. Heart pumps blood to the whole body. D. Rib cage protects the leg. Answer D. Rib cage protects the leg. This is the wrong answer. Rib cage is present in the chest area and it protects the lungs. Foal is the baby of horse, cow, sheep, kangaroo. Answer horse. Select the option that can complete the given table. Group 1 lion, bear, X. Group 2 sheep, Y, hen. So options are given. select the correct option. Answer is A. X is zebra and Y is cow, because we see in group 1 wild animals are present and in group 2 domestic animals. So A, X is zebra and Y is cow. A is the correct answer. Unscramble the given groups of letters and select the option that gives name of home of the animal shown in the picture. Answer D. This is a bee and its home is hive. So D option is correct. First is web, which is for spider, kennel, house of a dog, coop, house of a hen, and hive is house of a bee. So D is correct answer. Millie's father has only one sister who has two sons, and Millie is the only child to her father. How many grandchildren does Millie's parental grandfather has? 2, 4, 3, 1. Answer here is C, 3. We can see here Millie's father and his sister. So there are two children to them and one is Millie to his father, and so Millie's grandfather has 3 grandchildren. Which of the following is or are unsafe activity or activities? A. Walking on the footpath. B. Running while crossing the road. C. Wearing seat belt while sitting in a moving car. D. Taking medicines on your own when you are sick. So, which all options are unsafe? Answer C, because option 2, that is running while crossing the road, and D, 4, taking medicines on your own when you are sick, are unsafe activities. Select the option that correctly arrange the given planets in order of their distance from the Sun, starting from furthest to nearest: Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Neptune, Mercury. Furthest to nearest. Answer C. Neptune is the most further. So start this only C option is showing Neptune is the furthest. Next is Mars, next is Jupiter, then Mars, then Venus, then Mercury. So 4, 2, 1, 3, 5 is the correct answer. Few parts of plants are labeled in the given picture. From which of the following parts cotton fiber is obtained? Answer A. That is R part. R part is a fruit and cotton fiber is obtained from fruit. Which of the following statement is correct about the heavenly body shown in the picture? A. It is a huge ball of fire. B. It is the natural satellite of the earth. C. It has air in its atmosphere, but it does not support life. D. It gives us heat and light. Answer B, that is, it is a natural satellite of Earth, is correct. This heavenly body is Moon, which is a natural satellite of Earth, and it does not give any heat or light. Select the incorrect match from the given figure. A. Hand, B. Ear, C. Tongue, D. Teeth. Answer C. Tongue. Comb is to hair, tongue cleaner is to tongue. Which of the following options correctly categorizes the food items given based on their sources? We have to select whether the items are sourced from plants or animals. Based on it, correct option has to be selected. Answer here is D. That is 1 and 5 are sourced from plants. These are French fries which are obtained from potatoes, and these are sugar. This is sugar and which is obtained from sugarcane. So 1 and 5 are sourced from plants. 2, 3 and 4 are sourced from animals. Honey by honeybee, milk by cow, egg by hen. So answer D is correct. Which of the following is the means of postal communication? Answer A. Letter is the means of postal communication. For remaining questions of 2021 exam, you can check out part 2 of same video. The link is given here, or you can click the card here.